Hi everyone, I am Prema Sundari, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, NPR College of Engineering and Technology, Dindigul. Today we will discuss about the topic is related to curves and their problems. In these curves, it is defined as the regular bend provided in the lines of communication. I already discussed about the curves and need of providing curves, and then types of curves and their pictures, and next one classification of circular curves, simple curve, reverse curve, and compound curve. Next differentiate between circular curve, transition curve, and vertical curve. Then geometry of the curve, then setting out methods. These are the topics I already discussed. Now I discussed about the curves problem. It is related to linear method. In this linear method, having three types. First one offset from the tangent, second one successive bisection of arc, third one offset from chord produced. In linear method having two types, first one radially, second one perpendicular. In linear method offset is equal to root of r square plus x square minus r. This is the formula for offset formula. Next one approximate formula, it is equal to x square divided by 2r. The second one offset perpendicular to tangents. In linear method having two types, first one offset from the tangent, next one radial offset. In offset perpendicular to the tangent, Ox is equal to root r minus root of r square minus x square. It is the formula exact. Then approximate formula Ox is equal to x square divided by 2r. Then we will discuss about the problems. First one, calculate the offset at 20 meter interval along the tangent to locate a curve having a radius of 400 meter, the deflection angle being 60 degree. This is the some problem. It is related to simple curves by offset method. In this problem, there are two types of formulas used. First one radial offset formula, second one perpendicular offset formula. Then now I will explain about the formula and their steps. In this example, first one solution, the given data are first one interval 20 meter, then one radius of the curve in second line, radius of 400 meter. Next one, the deflection angle in 60 degree. First to calculate the tangent length T1 and T2, it is denoted by tangent length is equal to r into tan pi by 2. R means radius of the curve 400 meter. It is given in the sum, and pi means 60 degree deflection angle. R is equal to 230.96 meter. Then radial offset. Radial offset is having two formula. I will take exact formula. Ox is equal to root of r square plus x square minus r. Here r means radius of the curve, x means intervals. Interval means 20 meter. 20 meter, 40, 60, 80, 100, etc. It is based on chainage length. Here chainage length means 230.96 meter. Then first I would substitute first interval 20, O20. Here first substitute R value 400 plus substitute the value of X 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. The corresponding values O20 is equal to 0.5 meter, O40 is equal to 2 meter, O60 4.47 meter, O80 7.92 meter, O100 12.31 meter. This is the final values of the radial offset. And next method is perpendicular offset. In perpendicular offset having two formulas, first one exact and next one approximate formula. I will use exact formula for this problem. Ox is equal to r minus root of r square minus x square. Here x means 20 meter, 40 meter, 60 meter, 80 meter, 100 meter, and so on. Then r means radius of the curve 400. First one O20 is equal to 400 minus root of 400 square minus 20 square. The final value of the O20 is equal to 0.5 meter. Then next one O40 is equal to 400. The R value is same for all the steps. X value only changed for particular interval. O40 is equal to 400 minus root of 400 square minus 440 square is equal to 2 meter. The final value for O40 is equal to offset 40 meter is equal to 2 meter. Then O60 means in this X value to substitute the 60. The O60 value is 4.53 meter. Next O80, 400 minus root of 400 square minus 80 square is equal to 400 minus 391.92 is equal to 8.08 meter. Then finally substitute the O100. O100 means 400 minus root of 400 square minus 100 square is equal to 12.70 meter and so on. Now I see the radial offset method and perpendicular offset method. The values are O20, O40, O60, O80, O100 are same for the above two methods. Next topic. Next method by approximate formula, both radial and perpendicular offset. Approximate formula for both methods, Ox is equal to x square divided by 2r. X means 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 meter and so on. O20 is equal to 20 square divided by 2 into r means 400 meter. This is the value given in the problems itself. O20 is equal to 20 square divided by 2 into 400 is equal to 0.5 meter. O40 is equal to 40 square divided by 2 into r value is equal to 2 meter. O60 means 60 square divided by 2 into 400 is equal to 4.5 meter. Then O80, to substitute the x value, 80 square divided by 2 into 400 is equal to 8 meter. Then O100 is equal to 100 square divided by 2 into 400 is equal to 12.50 meter and so on. Now I seeing the three methods. First one radial offset exact method, next perpendicular offset exact method, next one by the approximate formula, both methods. In these three methods having offset values O20, O40, O60, O80, O100 both are same. Okay, this is the simple problems and very important problems in the simple curve method by using radial offset and perpendicular offset. Today we will discuss about the problems related to simple curve by using radial offset, perpendicular offset methods, exact formula and approximate formula. Next class we will discuss about the hydrographic surveying and sounding methods question. It is very important question. Okay, thank you.